Meaning of field hand.
Field hand.
Field hand.
Field hand.
Field hand. A field hand is a term used to refer to a laborer who works in agricultural fields. These individuals perform various tasks that include planting, cultivating, and harvesting crops. They may also be responsible for operating machinery, tending to livestock, and maintaining equipment. Field hands typically work long hours in physically demanding conditions, often exposed to the sun, wind, and rain. Despite the challenges, they play a critical role in ensuring a successful harvest and the continued operation of farms across the country.